Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Sign into the account using your current email and password. Once done, navigate to Account or Profile Settings. Make sure two-factor authentication is active so you can confirm identity. If you don't have backup codes, generate them now and save them in a secure place. Verify the new email address in a separate tab or device so you can paste the confirmation code quickly when prompted. Now, choose the option to change your contact email and enter the new address. The system will send a verification code or link to that new inbox. Open it and copy the code immediately. Once you paste or click it, confirm within the account settings so the service records the new address as primary. Make sure linked services and recovery options reflect the new email so password resets continue to work without interruption. Finish by setting the new address as primary and remove the old one only after confirming everything functions. Update any apps, subscriptions, or linked accounts that relied on the previous email so notifications and billing stay intact. Once you're done, revoke sessions on old devices and reissue app passwords if needed. If verification fails, use your backup codes or contact support with documented identity proof to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.